At the orders of President Ruto and in compliance with the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, the process of reimagining and refashioning Kenya's security institutions began in earnest on 21st December 2022, when the Presidential Task Force on Reforms of the National Police Service, the Kenya Prison Service, and the National Youth Service was established. While the work of the task force took longer than expected due to the expansive terms of reference, its final report has already been presented to the President. And one of the last actions I took before I left the ministry was to gazette the National Steering Committee under the leadership of the Principal Secretary for Internal Security, with a mandate to ensure full realization and implementation of the groundbreaking proposals for reforming our police